Okay, this is I wanted to come and see this, okay? This is a Russian church, and the spirals, the towers have been removed and they turned it into a mosque. Obviously, all the frescoes inside and everything has been erased, I'm sure. The doors removed, everything removed. It's a beautiful building, but they made it into a mosque. It was the Aleksander Nevski church. Now is the Aleksander Nevski. Now is the Fatih Kami, which is mosque. But it was a beautiful building. It's still a beautiful building, but they just turned it into a mosque because when it stopped being part of the Russian Empire, when this city stopped being a part of the Russian Empire. Here's another view of the Aleksander Nevski Church, Orthodox Church, turned into a mosque. I'm not sure if the frescoes inside are still there. I'm sure they plastered them over, and but there it is. It's a beautiful building. They removed the typical Russian domes from top. It's still a beautiful building. Also, they just turned it into a mosque August 17, 1985. Okay. 1985. So I wonder what was it before. Storage area or whatever. So here is another view with the minarets on the right hand side. Let me see, there's a plaque right there with the story of the place. Let's see what it says. All right, and the plaque says, the Fatih Mosque. It was built on behalf of Aleksander Nevsky in the late 19th century for Cossack soldiers in cars after the Ottoman-Russian War of 1877-1878. It is a single-story rectangular layout building. Some original architecture features of the roof were later changed. The building was used as a sport hall after the proclamation of the Republic of Turkey and turned into a mosque in 1985. The structure was registered and placed under preservation status, and that's what the late date when they turn it into a mosque. Okay, so let me see. I'm not gonna go inside because I don't want to take my shoes, but I'm gonna take a little look inside. Oh yeah. Okay, so there it is. That's the interior. Yeah. So it was a sports hall, and they turned it into a mosque in 1985. There it is. The Aleksander Nevski. The Aleksander Nevski Church and the Fatih Mosque. There it is. Very nice. Let's get out of here. All right. As you can see, the door was bigger. It was closed. All the windows, all the doors were changed. Since it was a sports place, there was no need for the Russian towers or the fancy windows with LED on the top or any of that stuff. As a sports house, you don't need any of that. And then 1985 comes and it's turned into a mosque. So the good thing is that the building is preserved. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful building. That's my aircraft. there's no way in hell I'm gonna take the express, the winter express back to Gebze. This is a 2-hour flight. The express, the train, was a 5 hours plus 30 hours train ride. Of course, beautiful train ride, especially the second one, the long ride through the mountains, the canyons, unbelievable. There's just no way I'm gonna make it in coach at least. And so I'm going to the big airport, Istanbul. The other airport is, the other flight was full, so I'm leaving early. I did in 3 days, 16, yeah, in 3 days I did what a lot of people does in 2-3 weeks. The express, the winter express, the visit to the frozen lake, and the visit to Annie, and sweeping cars in the city. So I'm satisfied, I'm going back.